Hello mga kawawmat, in this video lesson, we will discuss quantities of different magnitudes. So we focus on how to choose the appropriate metric units. So first, I want you to familiarize the following metric units. So millimeter, that is mm, centimeter, that will be cm, m for meter, km per kilometer, mg for milligram, g for gram, kg for kilogram or T for metric ton, ml for milliliter, L for liter, KL for kiloliter. Okay, these symbols is the degree Celsius, S for second, mean or MIN for minute, H for hour. So we will use that for the metric unit. So I will show you first. The first activity is showing a picture. Then you're going to identify what metric units no yung possible na gamitin doon. Okay, so identify the appropriate metric units for measuring small and large quantities. So on the following pictures. First, length of the school flagpole. Ano kayang unit yung gagamitin natin? That will be meter. Okay, so meter lang. Next, width of a basketball court. Okay, ito yun. Ano kayang gagamitin natin? Still, that will be meter. Okay, next. Thickness of a notebook. Ito lang, no? So, ano yung gagamitin natin dyan? Anong metric unit? Centimeter, correct. Next, distance from Manila to Baguio. So, what do you think? What unit? Kilometer. Okay, very good. So, next, how about this one? Temperature inside the classroom. So, ano kayang metric unit ang pwede dyan, no? Sa temperature inside the classroom, ano ang right metric unit? That will be degrees Celsius, correct. How about temperature inside a refrigerator? Degrees Celsius then. Okay, so tama. Next, how about temperature of boiling soup? Yes, still that will be degrees Celsius. Okay, another. Amount of medicine in a syringe. Yes, ito lang, no? Yan lang. That will be, okay, milliliter. So, yan yung unit na pwede dyan. Next, volume of a water bottle. Okay, ano kaya? Liter, correct. Next, capacity of a fish pond. Capacity of a fish pond. Yes, that is kiloliter. Kasi malaki, no? Malaki yung space na yung tinitingnan mo dyan, yung capacity ng tubig na ilalagay mo doon sa fish pond. So, malaki talaga. So, kiloliter po ang metric unit na appropriate dyan. How about the weight of a school bag? Weight of a school bag? Kilogram. Okay, that should be kilogram. No, hindi lang siya gram, kilogram. Weight of a grain of rice. Ayan, no. Ito lang yon. Weight of a grain of rice. Milligram. Oh, yes, that's correct. Milligram. Weight of a delivery truck. Weight of a delivery truck. Oh, ito yun. Yung bigat niya. So, ano sagot? Metric ton. Okay, so, yan ang unit niya. Kasi sobrang bigat niyan. Tama? Next. Time to answer a quiz. Okay, kung quiz lang naman, so, ano kaya? Seconds, minute, hour. Minute. Okay, so, hindi mo kaya ng seconds lang, no? Lalo kapag sa math. Next, length of one class period. Okay, pwedeng minute, no? Lalo na kung halimbawa, hindi naman isang oras yung isang period nyo sa isang subject. Pwede yon. Okay, dito talaga pwedeng hour. Time to travel from Manila to Cebu. Okay, so yan, no? Wala nang iba. So I hope medyo na-familiarize kayo, na-recall nyo kung saan gamit yung mga una kong pinakitang metric units. So the next activity, so titingnan natin kung talagang naintindihan. So what you're going to do is, alamin nyo lang kung tama no, yung situation at kung mali yung ginamit ng metric unit, ano kaya ang tama doon, ang naipapalit natin. Number one, so what is the most appropriate unit to measure the length of a classroom? Is meters. The most appropriate unit to measure the length of classroom is meters. Tama ba? Yes, tama. Number two, how about to measure the distance from Manila to Baguio? That will be, yes, kilometers. Tama rin yan. To measure the height of a student is kilometers. Tama kaya yung kilometers? Height of a student? Wrong. So ano dapat? Meters. Number four. To measure the mass of a coin is grams. Okay, mass of a coin is grams. Tama. Okay. To measure the mass of a school bus is metric tons. Tama kaya? Yung mass ng school bus. Okay, that's correct. No, tama yung number 5. Next, the most appropriate unit to measure the volume of bottle of soft drinks is liters. Correct, tama. Or pwede rin naman dyan, kasi pwede rin milliliters, no? Pwede rin kasi may mga bote na, like for example, yung mga mineral water na may mga maliliit. So, pwede rin ml pala dyan. Number seven, the most appropriate unit to measure the amount of eye drops is milliliters. Amount of eye drops, tama ba? Yes. Number eight, the most appropriate unit to measure the capacity of a water reservoir. So ano yan, kiloliters? Yung mga dam, di ba? Okay, like for example, yung Angat Dam. So, tingnan mo kung gaano kalaki yun. So the answer will be correct. Okay, tama yan. Kiloliters. The most appropriate unit to measure the body temperature of a patient is degrees Celsius. Tama ba? Yes. To measure the temperature inside the freezer, degrees Celsius then? Yes. So, to measure the time needed to blink your eyes is hours. O, blink lang ng eyes, hours ba kailangan? Sobrang haba, no? So, dapat ay seconds lang. Okay, seconds lang dapat. Number 12, the most appropriate unit to measure the duration of a basketball game is minutes. Yes, tama siya. Okay, kasi pwedeng wala pang isang oras tapos na nun yung basketball game. Or pwede rin naman hour. Pero yung minutes tama na yun. The most appropriate unit to measure the length of an ant is centimeters. So yung ants, may mga malalaking ants, no? Pero madalas yung nakikita natin yung mga liliit. So, pwede dyan, millimeters, no? Millimeters, yung mm. So, pwede rin millimeters dyan. The most appropriate unit to measure the thickness of a sheet of paper, millimeters? Yes. The most appropriate unit to the weight of a sack of rice is kilograms. Tama rin yan, no? Kilograms. Next, the most appropriate unit to measure the mass of a grain of salt is metric tons. Grain of salt lang? Tama ba siya? Wrong. So, hindi mo ganun bigat yung grain of a salt. So, ano kaya? That will be milligrams. Milligrams lang dapat. Kasi maliit lang naman eh. Grain of salt lang eh. The most appropriate unit to measure the volume of perfume is milliliters. Tama. Okay? So, kailangan konti lang kasi yung sa perfume wala ka lang makikita mga malaking bote, tama? Milliliters. Number 18, the most appropriate unit to measure the height of a coconut tree is meters. Tama ba? Yes, tama. Meters. The most appropriate unit to measure the travel time from Manila to Cebu is hours. Tama. The most of our unit to measure the length of a pencil is kilometers. So, yung isang lapis lang, kilometers ba yon? No, that will be centimeters. Centimeters lang. So, from the given example, we will identify what metric unit. So, tayo magsasabi, no, based on the situation na binigay. Example number one, Maria is decorating the school stage for nutrition math. She needs to measure the height of a banner before hanging it. So, ano kayang metric unit? That will be meters. Okay. Number two, a construction worker is measuring length of a new classroom building before installing a window. Ano siya? Meters then. Okay. Number three, during a medical checkup, okay, so during a medical checkup, the nurse measures the body temperature of a student, degree Celsius. Next, uh, a jeweler is measuring the mass of small gold ring before selling it. What appropriate metric unit should be used? Ah, ano kaya? Measuring the mass measuring the mass. So that will be grams. Next. A farmer is waiting a carabao before bringing it to the livestock market. So, yung bigat ng carabao, that will be kilograms. Next, a traveler wants to know how far it's from Quiapo to Batangas. So, anong sagot? Anong sagot? A traveler wants to know how far it's from Quiapo to Batangas. Of course, kilometers yan. No? Kilometers, malayong distance Number seven, a tailor is measuring the length of a ribbon or length of a ribbon lang, no? So what will be the answer? Okay, centimeters. Number eight, a laboratory technician is measuring the mass of a vitamin tablet. Tablet lang. During quality testing. So ang sagot, it is milligrams. Next, this will be number 9. During a sports competition, the school records the time it takes a sprinter to finish the 100-meter dash is, kung ito ay mga nasa Olympics, no? Seconds lang yan. Pero, uh, mas ano dyan yung minute, no? Kasi sa kapag nasa Olympics, yung mga nagaganyan, yung sports na may ganyan, yung tatakbo, okay? Ibig sabihin, mabilis sila doon. Kaya kaya nila in seconds lang yung ano na yan. Next, for number 10, the students wants to know how long a mathematics teacher lasts from the beginning until dismissal. What do you think? That is R. Okay, so I hope medyo na-recall, okay, naintindihan nyo how to choose appropriate metric units, no? Kahit saan mo yan gagamiting situation, basta alam mo na ito yung metric units na para doon, so okay po yan. So, kapag gusto nyo pa ma-practice, pwede nyo yung sagutan na kayo lang, okay? So, pwede yan. Uh, and then, try to check your answer, okay?